Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be picking up where we left off last time. We used the is keyword. Now we're going to talk about the ID function. So let's just get into it. So alright, so here, and let's just look at it. Help ID, boom. ID takes in the objects, return the identity of an object, guarantee unique among simultaneously existing objects. So blah 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 blah. Okay, this is just saying here's your item, and let's just go forth. So let's run these. So let's make sure you can see the bottom. Okay, so ID X, ID Y. Lo and behold, they are in the same, they have the same identity. So now, then if, of course, if I change X to 12, like I did last time, then I call ID, oops, helps if I keep my cursor in the right spot, ID X, and then ID Y. X picks up a new, because we come in and reassign it, it picks up a new identity, right? Because it's a new object, because we just learned that last video, that variable names are pointers, and they point to the object in memory. And each object has an identity, a unique identity. And so when we go back, Y didn't change because it has its identity, but when we reassigned the X variable to a new object, it picked up a new identity. So this is the ID function. Just thought I'd drop it in here because it's, you don't use it that much, but I wanted you to know about it because the reason for this channel is I want you to know everything in Python, and we are just going to click through. We're going to get a little nerdier every once in a while. Right here, I don't want to ever overload you guys and overwhelm you because you learn better by just doing, but every so often there are important things. So the next video is still going to be a little consistent kind of items with this, but it's going to be dealing with lists. So that's a hint, and make sure you're clicking that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing a thing. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.